Hey y'all, welcome back to my kitchen, and today we're doing a home cooked meal. We're doing mashed red potatoes, broccoli, and chicken thighs in my homemade sauce. I went ahead and cleaned the potatoes and I'm getting them diced up, ready to be mashed.
I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a cut. I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with the negativity, with that low mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl a space. You can keep your bitter.
And then I add the red diced potatoes to already boiling water to get them very tender.
Pretty brown girl a space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Catch a break. Mom and dad's only daughter.
I did not want miniature sized broccoli, so I went ahead and separated it with my hands. And so now we have full size broccoli.
Approval constantly. When it's my truth, I own. I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a cut. Yeah. Put that on cut. Stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home. Jump off.
Because we are making our own sauce and we have broccoli and potatoes, let's go ahead and chop our own garlic. Minced garlic is okay, but I like fresh garlic as well.
You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your.
And we know social media is the new culinary arts school. And so I learned on Instagram, which they probably learned from TikTok, that the best way to prepare your veggies is to blanch them and then cook them in butter and water. In case you are not familiar with blanching, the process is you boil the veggies and then you place them into a ice bath.
I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna.
I think I make some of the best mashed potatoes. I use butter, milk, sour cream, and cream cheese.
Ask him, 'cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new. Yeah, gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go.
I season my mashed potatoes with kosher salt, black pepper, Cavender's, Tony's, accent, red pepper flakes, and I also added in Parmesan cheese and garlic.
Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, telling you it ain't what I thought. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, 'cause I don't really like what I got. So
And there you have it, the mashed potatoes, the best mashed potatoes you will ever have.
it's not ungrateful, just being helpful for me, 'cause we gotta go our own way.
Now on to our broccoli. I have a pot, then I add in butter, then I add in the broccoli and a little bit of water.
What I do, and it's time for something new. Yeah, gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go.
The same seasonings I use for the mashed potatoes, I use for the broccoli, and of course, I did not forget the garlic.
Can make it grow. Can make it grow. Sometimes you know I don't.
And now I'm dicing up my red onions and my garlic for my sauce for the meat.
There's nothing here for me. I gotta go, I'll fly away to one new space. You know, I don't appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here.
I know a little something about sauce. I didn't want any bland chicken, so I used what I had on hand. And I also know that apple cider vinegar is a great base for sauces. I took my time and I cleaned and trimmed my chicken thighs. I tossed my chicken thighs and my herbs, my onions, and my sauce. I placed them in my baking pan and cooked them on 375 for 45 minutes covered. After 45 minutes, I uncovered them and then flipped them over and let them cook for additional 15 minutes. And there you have it. Do not let the juice and the sauce go to waste. It is so flavorful. So I went ahead and poured them onto our chicken thighs, and it was delicious.
It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up?
And this is how they came out. Amazing, beautiful, flavorful, everything you would want in a chicken thigh.
Yeah, better nights, better days.
Because I already knew we were gonna have leftovers, I went ahead and placed them in meal prep containers, and now dinner is served. We have our broccoli, our chicken thighs, our mashed potatoes, and also a side salad.
From me, when I need you most, we got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say.
Remind me why you would go to a restaurant when you have food at home and the potential to make a better meal than the restaurant. Make it with love, and it's just going to always come out better. I went ahead and plated us up, and dinner is served. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like. If you want to see more, join my kitchen and subscribe to the channel. Also, you can find me over on Instagram at Eboni B Cooking. That's at EBONI.BCOOKING. I would love to see you over there as well. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Bye.
And I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay. Where are you? Baby, don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Hey, don't be so hard to reach. Just pick up your phone, tell me where you be, 'cause I got